Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong June 17 to 23, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see Aquarius. Kamusta? What's up with you ngayong week na ito? You have Chiron, healing. Okay, so healing from your past, healing from your traumatic experience. Yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng physical healing to kung kayo nagkasakit ng mga nakaraang araw or linggo. So, ngayong week na to, you will focus on healing yourself. So, some of you, maaring mas magsistay kayo sa bahay ngayong week na to, lalo na kung kayo nagpapagaling. Oo. Some of you will also focus on your family life, your home life. May change. Okay, so yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may gusto kayong baguhin sa inyong bahay. Pwedeng magre-redecorate kayo. Or pwedeng lilipat ng bahay. Okay, pwede ring renovation. Let's see your overall energy. You have the Hermit. Kayo ay nagdinilay-nilay, nagre-reassess ng inyong situation, self-reflection. Kung masaya ka ba sa sitwasyon mo, sa relationship mo, sa trabaho mo, sa business mo, are you in alignment of your goals, of your dreams? Kumbaga mas i-enjoy mo ngayon yung alone moment. Kumbaga yung kahit na you are on your own or kahit mag-isa ka, mas gusto mo na tahimik, no? Wala nakikialam sa'yo. So, your possible challenge is the Ace of Wands. I feel like you are starting something new, no? Or pwedeng nasa transition period ka na may nag-end, tapos nandun ka pa sa point na you are still, parang ina-absorb mo pa yung nangyayari, no? Iniintindi mo pa yung nangyayari bago ka magsimula. This can be separation sa trabaho or separation sa isang person. So parang nandun ka pa sa point na mas gusto mo munang mapag-isa para mas makapag-isip-isip. Kaya ang challenge mo is kung paano ka maka-move on, paano ka na magsisimula, paano mo i-welcome tong new beginning sa'yo. Okay, because definitely there is change in your life. So your opportunity is the 7 of Cups. Maraming opportunities opening up sa'yo. So, maganda siya kasi ibig sabihin, di mo masasabi na wala kasi kung choice eh. You have a lot of choices. Kailangan lang dyan, pipili ka ng best for you. Kasi hindi lahat yan makakabuti sa'yo. Or merong ibibigay na best result. So, you have to tap into your instinct, your intuition, anong sinasabi ng puso mo, anong sinasabi ng higher self mo, 'di ba? Ng kutob mo. Ayan. So, your blessing is the 9 of Swords. As a blessing, kung kayo ay laging kulang sa tulog, makakatulog kayo ng mas mahimbing ngayong week na to. Maaring yun nga, alone time no? So, yung iba sa inyo, you will do fasting or, alam mo yun, tipong, sarili mo lang, you are just with yourself. Parang, sinesave mo yung boses mo or yung ideas mo sa sarili mo lang. Oo, hindi mo sinishare sa iba. And I also see na if this is a blessing sa'yo, meron ka ng mga ile-let go na unnecessary, yung mga bagay na panggulo lang sa isip mo, ile-let go mo na, i-release mo na yun, lalo kung meron kang anxiety. You will try to heal that anxiety. You will heal from that. Oo, mawawala yung panic attacks. The Hermit is the 8 of Wands. After that, after ng iyong pananahimik at pag-iisip, katahimikan ng isip, ayan, dun ka na, saka ka nagagawa ng action kasi maliwanag na sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong gawin. What is the Ace of Wands? The Justice card. Yes, there's definitely clarity in your situation. Lalo na kung meron kang big decision na gagawin Anong area of life tong merong big decision ang mga Aquarius? Uy, sa career, 10th house. So, meron kang big decision, major decision sa career. Na medyo nahihirapan ka. Siguro dahil maraming options, marami kang pagpipilian. 'Di ba? What is the 7 of Cups? You have the King of Cups. Okay, as an opportunity, makakapili ka kung saan ka mas nagre-resonate, kung saan nasan yung puso mo, nasan yung passion mo. Okay? The Devil is your blessing. I feel like as a blessing, you are letting go of a toxic situation or a toxic habit. Unhealthy habit na nagiging dahilan para ma-stuck ka sa isang sitwasyon, no? This can be being stuck in a relationship na toxic. So, you will be releasing that. Aalis ka sa ganyang unhealthy relationships or pwedeng unhealthy habits. Let go mo na. Person of water. So, some of you maaring kayo ay connecting with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Or, you will be more sensitive ngayong week na to. Kaya siguro mas gusto nyo mapag-isa. Ooh, okay. Yung iba sa inyo, no, pwedeng meron kayong kamag-anak na mayapa, no? Yung tipong you are grieving, kaya siguro mas gusto nyo rin na to be on your own. Ayaw nyo muna may makausap. But I also see that this is like an ending of a situation. Siguro pwedeng nahihirapan kayong i-let go to, pero andun yung realization ninyo na alam nyo sa sarili nyo na kapag ni-let go nyo na to, mas makakagaan sa pakiramdam ninyo. Pero syempre, hindi nyo maialis yung feeling na nakakalungkot, bakit ganon, diba? Truth, justice. This is also about, yung whatever you deserve, you will get. So, kung merong mga tao na may nagawang pagkakamali sa'yo, sinasadya niya, or may nagawang atraso sa'yo, you will get the justice that you deserve. Some of you, meron kayong kailangang asikasuhin regarding sa legal matters. Oo, ito ay specific message or reading. Hindi naman karamihan magre-resonate dito, but pwedeng meron kayong mahal sa buhay na namayapa na kailangan nyong ayusin yung inheritance. Parang may mga ari-arian ng person na yon sa family, like yung lola, lolo, parents. So let's see what else. You have miscalculation. Pagdating sa career, taking responsibility for your mistakes is a good sign to start all over again. Ayan. So, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong minor setback, no? Yung tipong nagkamali kayo sa decision making ninyo, sa pera, sa business, sa career ninyo, sa trabaho nyo. But, it's a learning opportunity for you. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, you have talents in writing, content creation, and makakatulong din na kung mas gusto nyo na tahimik lang or wala kayong pinagsasabihan ng nararamdaman nyo or pinagdadaanan nyo, mas maganda na mag-journal kayo, no? Yung isusulat nyo yung mga nararamdaman nyo, kasi that's also your way of releasing that heavy energies, no? Your dream life is manifesting sa yung career. So, yung iba, no? Ito yung sinasabi nilang redirection, ito yung sinasabing blessing in disguise. Kasi kaya merong nawawala na opportunity sa trabaho is because merong nag-open up na bago. Okay? So, I feel like what you are manifesting is about to come to you. It's about to happen. Kung halimbawa, nagmamanifest ka ng financial freedom, fulfillment, syempre, kung ikaw ay nagtatrabaho as an employee, medyo mahirap makuha yung financial freedom. So, yung iba, umaalis sa work for that financial freedom. Okay, sa relationship naman, meron dito, you may be connecting with someone, pwedeng bago pa lang tong relationship na to. Pero nagkaroon agad kayo ng misunderstanding ng taong to. Parang you are still trying to feel each other, parang you're still trying to get to know each other. But I think maayos naman to, may magsusorry, regretful siya sa actions niya, and I feel like bibigyan mo ng chance itong person na to be still part of your life. Okay? So that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. Bye!